Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the PUR Cosmetics Out of the Blue eyeshadow palette. So this palette really caught my eye in the store because the packaging of the palette is so cute. When you open it, there is like a little vanity and there's a button on the side, so like you can turn the lights on and off. So I just thought that was so cute. There are 12 shades in the palette and this is what it looks like. So online this palette is $32, which is pretty reasonable for this kind of a palette. But the interesting thing that really got my attention was the concept behind the palette. So this PUR Blue collection is supposed to protect against blue light. So blue light is the light that comes off of phones and computers and things like that, which is supposed to be damaging towards your skin. They even have like blue light glasses, so because it's supposed to also damage your eyes. So all this stuff now to protect against blue light. So I just thought that that was really interesting. I don't know how I will be able to tell you whether or not it protects you against blue light because I just don't know how I would know that. I'll be able to tell you how the eyeshadows are formulated, but I don't know how I would know whether or not how it's protecting my skin. So yeah, but they even have a blue light like lip products. They had a couple highlighters and blushes in this collection as well. So just that's such a really cool concept. And yeah, so I haven't seen another makeup brand do that yet. So I just thought that was really cool. Like a little description of this on the back, but it doesn't say much about the whole blue light thing. I had to look that up. But they have like little, it has a little blue, I feel focus. I don't know if it's gonna show up because it's kind of like blurry. Maybe you see on here. I don't know, there's like this little circle right here on the lip product and the eyeshadow palette box, and it just says blue light defense. So I actually wonder if it does really protect against blue light, because that would be really cool. So yeah. So I obviously already have all my face makeup on and I'm just going to start today's eyeshadow look. Like I said, I absolutely love this packaging. I feel like that is just so cute. And I love that there are neutrals and shimmery shades. So really, really nice. And yeah, I'm going to start out with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go into the shade Wake Up, which is just a light cream color. So I'm just going to apply this color lightly into my crease. This shade right here, Chill Out, is this shimmer and it looks so nice. Oh, when I press it, it's kind of like, I don't want to say sticky, but it's like wet almost. It's kind of like cream eyeshadow, but like it's obviously not. It almost comes off like a glitter, which is really nice that it's sticky because that means it's just going to stick to my lids when I use it later on in the video. I'm going to go into the shade Just Peachy, which is obviously a peach color, and I'm just adding this towards my crease, but really focusing on the inner corner, on the inner half of the crease. I just zoomed in a little closer. I realized it's kind of far away. I'm going in with a blending brush and I'm just going to add the shade Turn Down, applying this to the crease again. So far the eyeshadows are pretty pigmented and blending really nicely, so far I'm pretty happy with them. Now I'm going to really focus on the inner part of my crease and I'm going to add the shade Focus, which is this really nice burgundy shade. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. I'm just applying that and really blending it. But I'm not bringing it all the way out, I'm just bringing it about halfway into the crease. Now I'm going to, of course, add some of that shade Cloud 9, which is a deep blue with a little bit of shimmer, and I'm adding that to the crease, just to the outer half. It does have a little bit of fallout. Maybe I'll use a different brush to sort of help with that. So changing the brush helped a little bit. I also wish that the shade was a little bit more pigmented. And I'm just going to go back into the shade Focus and just reapply that to the inner half of the crease. And I'm going to use the shade Lights Out, which is a matte brown, and I'm just adding this to the crease and outer corner. Just going to use my concealer and just conceal the center of my lids. I still want this pink on the inner corner. And I'm just going to add a glitter to the center of my lids. I'm just going to add the shade On Off, which is a super pretty color. This is a really nice color. I love this one. I'll need to do a quick swatch on the back of my hand here. So I'm just so pale. That's why shades like this don't show up, but it's just like a really pretty, like champagne-y pink kind of color. Definitely like that one. I'm just going to tap this onto my lids right over the concealer. That's a super pretty shade. Definitely liking that. So I'm just gonna, oh, that's new. We have a blackout. That's lovely. It's not even raining. Fine, just blue light on it, do it in the dark. My makeup looks horrible right now in this lighting. Oh man. Well, we have no power, so that's a new way to do a makeup video. Why did the lights go out? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm just adding that shade now with a brush and just kind of to just smooth it out. And yeah. Okay, so that's pretty. I like that shade. Now, of course, I have to use the shade Chill Out, which is that really pretty glittery shade. I love this. Use my finger because that's usually easiest for these kinds of shades. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, that's good. It's supposed to be kind of like loose, you know? It's not supposed to be full on pigmented, I don't think. This is kind of supposed to be like one of those iridescent little shimmery glitters. I like it because it's like kind of sticky, like I said before, so it sticks on your lids. And the more you put your finger in it, I feel like the more pigmented it gets. So that's really nice. And I feel like it'll hit different lighting and look really pretty. I'm just gonna go back into the shade Focus, which is that burgundy-ish color up here, and just dusting this lightly across the crease. Try not to touch where you just applied the shimmery colors. I'm going to use a smaller eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Techno, which is like the lightest shimmer I think in the palette, and just applying this to my inner corners and also to my brow bone just to add a little bit more highlight. For my lower lash line, I'm going to add a little bit more of that burgundy and just add that to the lower lash line, the middle of the lower lash line. Oh my god, my eye has like a twitch. I don't know what's going on today. Has that ever happened to you guys? Do you have a twitch? I don't know what the heck's going on. Okay, I'm gonna try this blue again. I'm just gonna pat it. Maybe there won't be any fallout that way. So I'm just, you know, adding that very lightly. But it kind of is working. So yeah, I'm just really trying to incorporate this blue. And then I think I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Secret, which is this really pretty kind of gold color. I really think that's pretty. I'm just adding that to the inner half of my lower lash line. Maybe I can like try to use a flat eyeshadow brush and add some blue. Maybe I'll just pop it like right on the outer edge here. I'm gonna add some winged liner and add a wing. Yeah, I just said that. I'm just going to add some winged liner and then pop on some lashes. There's another airplane. What the heck is going on? Third video. Airplane. For lips, I'm using this NYX Suede Matte Lip Pencil, and it's in the shade Lavender and Lace. I use this one kind of a lot. And yeah, I'm just going to line my lips before applying the lip color from the collection. I have a lot of baby hairs. It bothers me every time I edit a video, but I can't really do anything about it, So the lip color that I have today is in the shade Dreams, and it is a Light Up High Shine Lip Gloss. Wait, does it light up, or are they just saying this? Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a button on the top. If this lights up, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'll do it in front of the camera. Ready? Wait. Oh my god. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, it's so bright. Wow. Like, look at that. Oh, my teeth are so nice looking. Oh, wow. Gosh, this is so cool. I've never had, I know that they make these, like I know this isn't a first, but this is so cute. I love this. So they did a really cute job with that. Oh my gosh, I love this lip gloss. Formula of it's actually like really not sticky, and I'm gonna turn this off because I probably look crazy. It's like a really smooth lip gloss. I really like this shade. Like, wow. When I bought it, I didn't realize that it lit up. I knew the eyeshadow palette lit up, but I didn't know that the lip gloss lit up. So this is the finished look. Okay, so we have some overall final thoughts. So I think that this collection has such a cool concept behind it. Like I said before, I mean, I don't think any other brand has done this yet. If they have, I just haven't heard about it. So, you know, I don't know. Yeah, I think that this is just such a cool idea. They really came through with, you know, the whole theme of blue light. I think that their packaging really went very well with their kind of idea for this collection. The palette is, you know, pretty affordable. I mean, I think that the final look is pretty. Just love the fact that this lights up. There's a pretty good amount of product in here, and I love this shade. Again, it was the shade Dreams. So I love this shade. I think it's so pretty. It's not sticky at all. So that's really nice. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If any of you guys tried this collection, let me know what you guys thought of it. And even if you didn't, let me know what you guys think about the concept of blue light sort of defense in makeup. I don't know, that's a really cool idea. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!